Alright, so today's fix is this two-wheel trimmer. This is an older DR trimmer mower there. And this one has a 4 horsepower Briggs & Stratton engine on it. It is model number 4DMB04968. So this one was sitting around for a while. I had a mouse nest in it. I cleaned out the mouse nest. Even found baby mice in it. But ended up just putting a brand new carburetor on it. Tried to rebuild the old carburetor and it was just too far gone, so put a new carburetor on it. We got a new spark plug, new air filter, fresh oil, fresh gas. So let's get this thing fired up. Alright, I want to show you that when you're operating this thing, to get the string to start spinning, what you need to do is hold the lever down like so, and then push that down, and then the string will start spinning. And to stop it, you just release that and it will stop. So your click, and then so like that. So that's how you get it to spin. So this is what it looks like underneath this DR trimmer. So this is obviously the main engine pulley, and then we've got a belt tensioner there. I think I've replaced this cable and I've replaced this spring. I say I think because I did it a couple years back when I first got this thing. So the belt goes up inside here and spins this thing. Another pulley there. So I'm gonna go and pull in the handle and show you what happens when I pull in the handle. Alright, so that's locked in place right there. That engages the line, and then that releases it. So that's how the mechanism underneath works. Alright, normally I would prime it here, but it's warm, so I don't have to prime it. I'll throttle it up here. There we go, one DR trimmer ready to rock and roll.